another one of My Music School tutorials, and this is another part of our Christmas special. So we're gonna learn a German song actually. Originally it's called O Tannenbaum, O Christmas Tree. But we'll learn the melody today, just to keep it simple. And for that we're gonna use a little bit of both hands. But we're gonna try to move as little as possible to just make it a bit more simple. So let me play it once more for you, just the melody. So that's the melody of O Tannenbaum. Let's dive right into it and position our fingers in a way that makes it the most easy for us to play. We're gonna use the normal C position for the right hand, which is the thumb goes on the C and the other fingers follow on the white keys. And we're gonna fill out the 3 keys just beneath that with the left hand. So we're gonna do thumb on the B and then A and G. So we have this range of notes to play around with. And the melody starts on the low G. So that's gonna be here in the left hand. I'll play the first phrase for you. Great. So that's quite simple, but you have to use both hands. So it's gonna be left hand, G, right hand, thumb, C, in this rhythm. And if you heard the song before, it gets a bit more easier. It gets easier for you because it's familiar, and I'm sure you've heard it. You know, but if not, just follow along, and it will all be fine in the end. So I'll play the first phrase again, naming the notes at the same time, and then I'll move on a bit further. I'm gonna play the second part of that again, and I'm gonna explain it a bit more in detail. E, D, E, F, left hand B, right hand D, and we land on the C. So it sounds like this again. I'll play it from the beginning again, and we take the next part that comes after that. Right, this goes again. So when you play this twice, we get to the next part. And for that you have to move your right hand just a little bit. So we're gonna place our 4th finger on the G, on the higher G, so we can reach the A later with our 5th finger. And we're gonna start with the 4th. And then play the 2nd, and then use the 5th finger to finish the phrase. So again, G, G, E, A. And the second half of the phrase is G, G, F, F. Together it sounds like this. Now when that's cool, we just have to move our right hand 1 step down and just complete the same finger motion again, but on different notes this time, like 1 step down, and then we get this. Not that hard, right? You just have to prepare the movements in a sense that you move your hand before you start playing the phrase. So the first move is from the root position, up 1 step, 4th finger, down 1 step with the whole hand, And now you can stay here still. And you have to start off the final part of the melody with the left hand, just as in the beginning. So that's how to play O Tannenbaum, or in English, O Christmas Tree. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.